It seems like finally we are getting close to a third stimulus check. So in this video, I will break down exactly how much money you can expect to get and by what time. So based on the Cash Act and President Biden's earlier announcement, here is a handy dandy calculator that can estimate your third stimulus check amount. I will provide a link to this calculator in the video description below so you guys can play with the calculator and adjust it according to your income. So here is the most important question. How much money can you expect to get in this third stimulus check? Now that depends on your 2019 tax return. If you are single with adjusted gross income below $75,000, expect to get a full stimulus check. Same is true for married couples who are filing jointly as long as your adjusted gross income is below $150,000. Each qualifying individual will get up to $1,400, while each dependent child under the age of 17 will bring you additional $1,400 for your family. Now, if you have a qualifying adult dependent, so that's somebody like your kid who is older than 17 years, but you are still claiming him as a dependent, at least in your 2019 tax return, expect to get another $2,000. Now, guys, please note that all these amounts, they will depend on your annual income. So let's jump onto the calculator and I will show you various scenarios which are applicable to a typical family. So let's say that you have already filed your 2019 tax return and your filing status for 2019 was single. Now, if your income in 2019 was $75,000 or below, you will most likely receive a full, $1,400 stimulus check. Now, if we increase the adjusted gross income, the stimulus money, it starts dropping rapidly. So you get only $900 if your income is $85,000. If you increase your income to $95,000, you only make $400 in the stimulus check. So as you can see, the stimulus check amount, it starts dropping very rapidly. Now, if you're making $100,000, you will get a puny $150 check. That's it. And beyond $100,000 gross adjusted income, you are essentially screwed because you won't be making even a dime from the third stimulus check. Okay, so this was for somebody who is filing his tax return as a single person with no dependent. Now let's take a look at family situations. So let's say that your 2019 tax filing status was married filing jointly. Then you should expect to receive $2,800 if your income in 2019 was less than $150,000. Now, as your income goes up, the stimulus amount, it will start dropping rapidly. So for example, if a family makes $170,000, expect to receive only $1,800 check. If your family is making $200,000 in adjusted gross income for the year 2019, you will receive only a puny $300 check. So as you can see, the money drops off very rapidly. Any higher and you receive nothing. So if your family makes more than $200,000, you pretty much are not getting any stimulus check. Okay, but what about families who have kids? So if you have kids, you will get stimulus money for each kid. So for example, say you have 2 kids under the age of 17, then each kid will receive $1,400, bringing up the total stimulus money for a family making $150,000 or less to $5,600 stimulus check. So that's a pretty generous amount. Again, the adjusted gross income of your household will play a big role in calculating how much money you are going to receive. So say for example, you make $200,000 and you have 2 kids, then expect to get only $3,100 stimulus check. The stimulus check starts dropping rapidly from here on. So for a household with 2 kids making $250,000, expect to get only $600 stimulus check. As the income goes up, the stimulus money will keep dropping, and by $270,000 adjusted gross income for a family with 2 kids, you won't be receiving anything. Okay, but what about your 2020 tax returns? Do they affect your stimulus payments? The answer is yes. If you qualify for a larger payment amount than calculated based on your 2019 tax return, expect to receive the difference as a tax credit. Now, of course, the additional payment won't be available until 2020 returns are filed. So guys, here is my suggestion. File your tax return as soon as possible. And finally, when can you expect to get this stimulus money? Hopefully before March 14th. So on Monday, the 8th of Feb, Speaker Pelosi is going to be working on the specifics of this bill, and then they will send it to the Senate in the next 2 weeks. Now, once the Senate passes it, then President Biden will be able to sign it into a law. So there are still things that need to happen, but hopefully we should have all this done before March 14th. So guys, let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that's exactly what happens. I hope you guys found this video useful. I hope this video helped you in at least getting some kind of a rough estimate of how much money you can expect in the upcoming stimulus 3 check. Please like and subscribe to Techno Panda show for more personal finance videos like this one. Also check out my main channel Techno Panda, which mostly focuses on tech gadgets, laptops, gaming PCs, and stuff like that. So if you are into gaming PCs or laptops or in general reviews of electronic gadgets, please check out my main channel. So again guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.